Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing and checking out the CIGMAN laser level CM-S04. It's a professional grade 4D green laser that's perfect for construction, DIY and precision leveling. It has a pulse mode, it's self-leveling, Bluetooth smart control, 2-inch IPS screen, manual mode, it's IP54 water resistant. Let's open up the box and see what we have inside. Now this is their newest model and the packaging looks very good. Oh, that's nice. It's in a plastic case. I thought it was in a soft case, but it's in a plastic case. So yeah, it's a very nice ABS hard plastic case. Looks very good, nice inches. And here we have the laser and all the accessories. Now, of course, first of all, we have the user manual. And it seemed to be the S3 and S4 user manual. Let's take a look inside. It's in a multiple language, which you can see here. So in the case, everything is very nice organized. A 360 magnetic base. Great for mounting it to metal surfaces or by screw. Aluminum lifting base, so you can put it really close to the ground and still adjust it very nicely. Looks very solid. It comes with 2 lithium batteries. That's a big plus, that there are 2 batteries, and you can charge them on the battery with the USB-C, and it's also included. And you can also charge it while using it. So there is also, I will show that in a minute, a USB-C when the battery is attached to the laser. So 2 batteries, very nice. Let's take a closer look. 7.4 volts, 2600 milliamp hour. A green laser plate for better visibility. Let's get it out of this plastic. Nice. Adapter, so you can put it on other mounts also. I think this one is also a small mount, yeah. So you can put it also on your tripod for your photo camera. And there is this metal mounting plate. You can mount it to a surface with some screws, and then you can add this one on there. You can also move it, or you can also do it like this. I don't know. Wow, it's very tight. I can't even get it off. But that's nice. It's in there. There is a remote control. And there's this cable. And this cable, it's not for the remote control. I will show you in a minute where you can use it for. Now let's take out the laser and move the box aside. Placing the battery. So the battery is in there. Taking a quick look. It's a nice display. I tried to scratch off this plastic, but I didn't make it. It's still on there. That looks a lot better. So digital display. Always when you store it, you need to lock it so it can't move. Let me show you. You can hear it like this. And when you lock it, it's all tight in there. And then you know what this cable is for. It's not for your remote, it's for safety. So when you put your laser on a height and it falls, that the cable will catch it. Now let's power it up. Turn it around and see how clean and bright these laser lines are. And you can use these lasers for all kinds of things. aligning tiles, cabinets, or do frame working. Goes on like this, and then immediately we see the display. I will put it on self-leveling by this one. So you unlock it, and here is the display. When it blinks, it's not level. I will put it down, and then you will see it stops blinking, and you can align your work. And now you can see this X and I, and that's the level of the unit. So if I turn it over, you will see it will change. And if I turn it over like this, you see it will change. It's for, you put the base solid as straight as possible, and then the laser will auto leveling. And now I can see it's very, very light in here because I have the ceiling lights on. The sun is shining in my back. I have LED lights on, and I can see it on all the walls in the room here. Let me show you. You can see it very clear on that wall, and also on the other side, very clear on that wall. So you have like 2 horizontal, 2 vertical lasers, as you can see. I will show you the display and the remote. This is changing all the steps. You see the line changing. So flashing mode, full on, 3 steps down. Flashing mode, full on, 3 steps down. You can change the lines also, put it full on first, wait. You can change the lines with this, vertical, vertical, full on, horizontal, the bottom, the top, all off, and both on. We're gonna do a test if it's absolutely straight. And therefore I'm gonna put it here. And I marked the line on the wall with a piece of tape. And what you can do then, you turn the laser around. And then it has to be exactly on the same spot, and yes it is. So if you want to check your laser, you can do it like this. Mark it on the wall, turn it around, and it has to be on the exact same spot. And now this is a meter, but you can also do it on 10 meters to see if you are exactly straight. It's always good to check your laser, because if it has been fallen on the ground or something, it can be off level. I've mounted it on the bracket, and let's see. There is this feet you can fold out like this. So you can also use it as a floor stand. And all these things, it's very fine adjustable. This will turn your laser. This one is to lock the height. And this is unlock, and then you can screw it on the other side up and down. And then you lock it. You can move it in 2 directions. So that's very nice. If you want to check it out, I will drop a link below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell for more tool reviews and unboxings. And for now, thanks for watching. And see you the next one.